Welcome to my channel. So it's DC. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can install an EA, a trading robot, on MT5. So this came as a result, as a request from one of our subscribers who was wondering how we can do this. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, let's get into this. So when you've received the EA, maybe you receive it through email. You received a copy. You're going to receive a copy like this. Then you're simply going to download it so that it can go into your PC. Once done downloading, you can see this is the EA that I've downloaded. You then go to your to your downloads. You come here to your downloads. You see the EA will be under this folder. Then when you go there, you're going to simply, so there are two ways that you can actually install the EA on MT5. So I'm going to be showing, I'll first show you the quickest one. So you simply double click here, then it will download directly to your MT5. You see the EA is here and it will open it on MT5. You just have to make sure that you have your MT5 there. So once this has been done, you have to go and open your, I've already done that. So if you come here, you can see that we have Boom 1000. So this EA is specifically designed for Boom 1000. It's a Spike EA for Boom 1000. So you click here, then it will take you to this chart. So for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to make the chart clean. So when you're done, so you then go to 1 minute time frame. So it will be trading spikes on 1 minute time frame. Then when you're done, then you end up having this chart. So before you do anything, you have to make sure that the agro trading here on this part is clicked. Here you can see it's off because it's red. Then when you allow it, it will turn green. Then you go to the copy of the EA here. This is where we are. Then you're simply going to drag it and drop it to your chart. Then here on common, you make sure that you click these two boxes: allow agro trading, allow modification of signal settings. Then you come here on inputs. So you need to adjust the lot size so that it can suit the your account size. So we can see here we have when you click and open this part, you see that the volume size it will be trading with a lot size of 1. So you can adjust it. Maybe your account is too small, then you can put 0.2. Then when you're done, you just click OK, and the EA will be loaded on your chart. You can see here we now have the EA on your chart. Then it's working. You just make sure that this part is clicked. Okay, so this is one way that you can actually do it, but we also have another way that you can actually do it. Once you're done downloading, then you go on you go to your download folder. Here you can simply copy the EA like what I have just done. Then you come here to your MT5, you go on files, click on files, then you go on open data folder here, then you click, then it will take you to this page. Then you need to go where it's written MQL5, this part. Then you click it. Then when you're done, you go on expect, then you click it again. So since we have already installed the EA, it will tell us to replace it because it's the same EA. Then then here you click options, then you paste it. So it will tell you to replace the file destination, because in your case it will not tell you because you already have installed the EA. It's different from my setup because I've already installed the EA. So you can I'll replace. So you now have, when you're done pasting, the EA will be here. Then you just simply close this part. Then you go to your MQ5. Then you go under expect. So this one is a little bit longer. The first one is shorter and easier. So when you go to expect, you need to refresh so that the EA can appear under this EA. So in my case, I have a lot of EA, so I need to scroll down and look for the EA. So here, this is the EA. It will appear here. Then you simply drag and drop it on your chart, adjust the lot size, and allow agro trading. Then you are set and done. So this is how you do it, guys. It's very simple. Then you run it. So this EA this EA is doing wonders. So I sold it to one of the I sold it to this guy, I think 3 days ago, and he has been singing praises. He's been happy with how the EA has been performing. So I sent him many. When he made the payment, I sent the EA. Then the EA has been running and doing wonders. You can see this is the chart that we're having, and he was impressed with how accurate the EA was performing. You can see here it was able to take a trade, and this you can see here there's a trailing stop. It was going up. So this guy has been singing praises. He has been satisfied and happy with how the EA has been performing. So if you haven't purchased this EA, please do so, because it's one of the most powerful spike EA that you can find on the market. So this EA will definitely make you a lot of profit. So thank you so much. If you are interested in this EA, you can get in touch. I've inserted my details so that you can easily get in touch. And also you need to run this EA on VPS. I'm going to be making a video very soon on how you can purchase the VPS and set it up in your laptop so that the EA can run for 24/7 non-stop. We don't need the EA doesn't need any interruption. You know, here there's been cases of load shedding or any interruption. So with VPS, it allows you to install the EA. Then you can also control the EA with your phone. So it's I would advise you to do that. So I've also inserted a link in the description on so that the link that you can use to purchase one of the most fast, reliable, and cheap EAs that we have. So thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.